here to talk about a new shaving cream that I got that actually works as two things. One, a shaving cream, and two, body lotion. So you don't have to rinse it off.
How cool is that?
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back.
Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Bo. How are you guys doing? For me, I just feel so like unmotivated to do anything. It's been 4 weeks now since this quarantine thing had started, and the first 2 weeks was easy breezy, but now it's like
I'm ready to go out. Like, Corona, can you leave please? Like, just leave us.
like I'm ready to go out. I'm ready to see my friends. I'm ready to go back to normal, hugging people, shaking people, you know, like this is tough.
This is really, really tough.
But you know what? We gotta look on the bright side. We're healthy, we have our lives, we're alive. Like, so many people are not even able to see the next day. So many people have passed away during these times. So I think it's really just being grateful, like, yes, we're still alive. And, you know, just kind of making the best of the situation. And, you know, hopefully all this passes by and we're all here to celebrate together when it's all said and done. I hope you are all well out there. I hope you're all keeping safe, and I hope you're all indoors. This thing is so real out there. It's scary when you see the numbers of deaths like keep going up. So please try to stay healthy. Make sure you sanitize and disinfect yourself as much as possible. Your home, your body, your inside, like everything. Please. I want to keep making videos. I want you to keep watching.
But we're not even here to talk about Corona.
We're here to talk about a new shaving cream that I got that actually works as two things. One, a shaving cream, and two, body lotion. So you don't have to rinse it off. How cool is that? So the reason why I decided to try this product is that unlike other shaving creams that you use, you shave and you rinse off and you have to do it in the bathroom because it foams up and you don't want it everywhere. This one boasts of basically using it on dry skin, and when you're done, you don't have to rinse it off. You just rub it in like a lotion and it keeps your skin extra moisturized for up to 24 hours. 24 hours! Oh my god! Awesome. Like, okay, I'm going to be trying this on my legs today because, girl, this quarantine done got a sister all hairy and shit. Like, come on. I know we don't know when we're going out, but you know, it's better to be prepared. Okay.
So let's keep shaving, even though we're quarantined.
But anyways, this product is supposed to be really amazing. So everywhere I checked, this product has 4-point-something stars. On Amazon, it had like 4.5 stars. On Walmart, it had like 4.7. Walgreens, CVS, look, all really nice ratings. So, I mean, I had to try it. So yes, I got the 8 ounces, which I feel like would last a really long time. And the smell. Ooh, it smells very coconutty. It's the coconut silk I got, but it doesn't smell like, you know how Nair smells like chemicals? Like, this doesn't smell like chemical. It actually smells like coconut, like a pina colada.
Like, I should drink it, but of course not. You're not gonna do that.
All right, so now that you know all about the product, let's go into the testing phase. So what you have to do is apply a thin layer onto dry skin to be shaved, shave, and rub in the remainder and go. No need to rinse off. Ooh. Shaving stick, check. Shaving cream, check. And the model for today is my hairy legs. Yay! Okay, boom. So on dry skin, we are going to be using Skintimate 2-in-1. So it says dry skin. Can you see? It's dry, no oil, no lotion, just hairy. So we're going to
Who lived in the pineapple under the tree? Eyes,
I got carried away. Alright, so let's rub it in.
Rub it in all the front. front. Bra, 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 bra.
Oh, I'm actually enjoying just rubbing my legs. Okay, let me wash my hands and we'll be right back. We are going to shave at this moment. Alright. Okay, let's see. Oh. Oh, very smooth. It feels like it already has lotion in it. Like, it's really moisturizing. I could definitely feel the shea butter. Alright, let's take some here from the front. Oh, nice. Ah. Okay. Wow, look at that. It's taking everything off. I'm so scared of razors because I hate cutting myself. But anyway. Yeah. Alright, so I think I'm done shaving. As you can see, it's hairless now. And it says just rub it in like lotion. Okay, I think I put too much, so I'm just gonna grab a rag to kind of wipe it a little bit. Wow, my skin feels so fresh and soft and moisturized. Okay. Whoa. Wow, 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 wow. My leg feels so soft and so moisturized. Like, this is so cool. And I like the fact that you don't even have to, you don't have to rinse it off. Like, so when would you use this? Let's say you already showered. Yes! Let's say you already showered, you already put on your outfit, and then you thought you were gonna wear pants, and then you ended up wearing a dress, and you didn't want to have to go shower because you already did your makeup. You can just use this. Yes, definitely loved it. I would rate it a 5-star. It did everything it was gonna do, and with my Skintimate razor, alright guys, so do I recommend this product? Of course I do. This is so cool. This is definitely something every woman should have in her cabinet. And it smells like lotion. It does not smell like chemicals at all. Like, this is pretty cool. Even the coconut smell is not that pressing. Like, it's so subtle. It smells like body lotion.
Oh my god, this is so cool.
So that means the people who reviewed it in Amazon, CVS, Walmart, they all said the truth because it really is an amazing product. So I would definitely recommend this product. I think it's pretty awesome. And that's all, folks. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the review and I hope it made you want to buy one. If you did, there's a link below so you can just go right away and purchase it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate all you guys that have subscribed to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and like this video if this information was great, and I would see you in the next video. So toodles, peace and love.